Hey there, I'm Paula Rizzo. I wanted to introduce myself in person and say thank you so much for buying my book, Listful Thinking. This book and the things that I share in it have truly changed my life. List making has really taken my whole life to a whole other level, so I'm thrilled for you to dig in, check out what's in here, and also now that we're connected, I am always writing about list making, productivity, and ways to really boost your efficiency. And so now that we're connected via email, I'll be sending you lots of tips and tricks and things that'll really be helpful. I check this email box all the time, so if you have any questions or anything pops up, please feel free to reply back. I would love to hear from you. Leave a review on Amazon. That's really important for any author, but also for other list makers. We want to spread the word and make this habit really accessible to other people. Whether you are already a list maker or you're looking to become one, there are things in this book that will truly change your life. And since I first wrote that book, I actually have a second book. The second book is called Listful Living, a list making journey to a less stressed you. And this book is different than the first one. It's a journal and it's meant to be written in, and it really focuses on how to be less stressed and still be productive and really tap into your own personal productivity style to get stuff done. So I can't wait to hear from you and hear what you think of the book of Listful Thinking and Listful Living if you decide to read that one as well. And I just wanted to wish you happy list making, and I can't wait to continue to talk to you and hear all about your list making.